Hey guys, it's time for another paint party. Today I'm going to be doing a swipe and I'm going to be using a cell activator. I don't typically use silicone oil in my cell activator, but today I decided I would give that a try to hopefully get some bigger and nicer cells. I haven't used it in a long time, so this is really a big deal for me. Agreeing to myself that I will deal with the cleanup afterwards. As many of you are aware, when you use silicone oil, you have to clean your canvas before you can seal it, because the oil will keep the varnish or whatever you're using to seal it from adhering well to your painting. But I've decided I'm going to deal with that this time so I can get lots and lots of pretty cells, hopefully. We have a base coat on of deep violet, and all the other colors that I'm going to be using will be provided in the description if you want to go there and check them out. The recipe for my cell activator will also be provided there. We're doing this on a 10-inch by 10-inch canvas, and I think that's all I need to inform you of before we get started. I will be playing you some music while the painting is being created, and I'll come back and we'll discuss the results at the end, and then I'll give you a close-up. Enjoy! Okay guys, I'm gonna stop there. I was very tempted to swipe here again because we've got so much black here, but this was actually my second swipe, due to the fact that the first time I overdid it, trying to make it perfect. There is no perfect. There is no perfect when it comes to this. I think it looks pretty cool. So despite the fact that we do have quite a bit of black in these two areas, but I'm pretty happy with it. I'm going to go ahead and get the camera down and give you guys a close-up. I moved over to the other side of the painting to do this so that the light wouldn't cause so much problems. But as you can see, we have lots and lots of cells, as I figured would happen. Pretty happy with the way it came out. We've got a lot of cells with multiple colors in them. We do have some metallics in this, so that'll add a little sparkle to it. Really neat. Really neato ones here, huh? Look at that. That's pretty cool. Not any real big cells, but they're not all little teeny ones either, so it's we've got a variety of types and sizes, which will give it a lot of interest. Look at that. Really weird, huh? This one will have someone staring at it for a long time if they want to really enjoy it. It should be something different they see each time they look at it. Well, that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I've enjoyed doing it. It's been something different than I've done in a long time, and can't wait to see how it looks when it's dry. I will bid you farewell for now. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, I wanted to show you real quick. That black was just bugging me, so I decided to go ahead and add more black to the rest of the painting to make it look more uniform, so that I think that looks a lot better. What do you guys think? Well, that's all I wanted to show you. I'm going to take some pictures of it now, and I hope you guys will come and visit my paint party again soon. Bye.